Mississippi, DeSoto County to be exact. Also, spoiler alert, you see it right there. Judge Karen Sanders has been arrested and charged with a DUI and careless driving. She was released on her own recognizances, and her court date is April 1st, 2026, which, oddly enough, happens to be April Fool's Day. So, I guess we'll see who the fool is. Mississippi, DeSoto County, drunk judge, Karen Sanders, that's where we're at. Also, 82% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button, it's free. Here we go.
Karen Sanders, a judge for District 5 in Hernando, was arrested Saturday, but little information about her arrest has been released publicly. So WRG's Shay Arthur went looking for answers.
Tonight, there are questions after DeSoto County Circuit Court Judge Karen Sanders was arrested this weekend, charged with DUI. The sheriff's office says Sanders was released on her own recognizance by a Hernando City judge the night she was taken into custody. But where Sanders was arrested or how Hernando police officers were alerted about her allegedly driving intoxicated have not been released, as we've pressed police for information. The Justice Court clerk did tell us today Judge Sanders is still employed with the courts, meaning she will still be taking cases. According to our record, Sanders has been serving on the DeSoto County Justice Court some 26 years, since 1999, and is up for re-election in 2027. People we talked to today were surprised by her arrest.
It's very, very disappointing.
I am very surprised. But, people are human and everybody has a lapse in judgment.
No, not drunk driving. Sorry.
Nobody's perfect.
We attempted to reach Judge Sanders by email, by phone, and a listed address, but so far have not been able to make contact with her.
She is part of the judicial system, so she should subject herself to the judicial system and just, allow the chips to fall where they may. Either she was guilty or she wasn't guilty, just like everybody that she judges throughout her judicial career.
For your news leader, Shay Arthur, WREG News Channel 3.
I can tell you we did file a Freedom of Information Act request to get more insight into the arrest. Hernando police say Sanders has a court date scheduled for April 26th. Hopefully we'll learn more then.
Now that says April 26th. The thing I read said April 1st. So anyway, sometime in April. She needs to be locked up and lose her job. She throws, I think it's supposed to say throws people in jail every day. She doesn't have the right to be getting DUIs. She needs her license suspended for at least 5 years and take a DUI driving course for at least 2 years. What a disgrace to America. Her name is Karen Frill. Jesus, deliver her from driving. It's a big club, and she's a board member. She'll be fine, don't worry. That's what I'm thinking. That is exactly what I'm thinking. So is there more to the story? There usually is.
Action News 5 at 5, I'm Joy Redmond. A DeSoto County judge back on the bench today after her own run-in with the law. Judge Karen Sanders is expected to continue hearing cases even after her DUI arrest earlier this month. Action News 5's Garner Montgomery went to Hernando and spoke with people who appeared before her in the courtroom today.
She was back on the bench in about a week.
I pulled you over because you drove into the grass.
This Hernando Police Department body cam footage shows officers pulling over DeSoto County Judge Karen Sanders. She was charged on December 6th with driving under the influence and reckless driving.
And what the hell Jiminy Cricket is this? Also, I'd like to know where her BAC was.
That's her.
She looks like she's about to cry. I'm guessing that's a female.
Yeah.
But 9 days after her arrest, Judge Sanders is back on the bench in
9 days.
Justice Court, presiding over cases similar to her own.
I was shocked because now she kind of knows how it feels a little bit, It's like you want to judge people on things that they do wrong, and then
she doesn't. You're not a member of the same club she's a member of. She's just surprised that she got charged with anything.
you did wrong yourself.
Action News 5 submitted a request to bring a camera into Judge Sanders' courtroom, but were denied entrance with any type of recording device. Outside, defendants shared their surprise to see Judge Sanders presiding over their cases and say someone in her position should be held to a higher standard.
I really feel like she should
Different standard. Get it right. Not higher standard.
be on the stand, because how do we know that, she's not intoxicated now, or when she makes these judgments.
Seeing these people in higher positions, you expect them to be such like law-abiding citizens, or they uphold the law very well. So just very surprising to see something like that.
But some
Just remember, shit rolls downhill.
say they hope Judge Sanders will be more sympathetic when hearing their case.
Any hard thing you go through in life, when you know somebody that went through it, it's like kind of easy coming to them about it. So hopefully when I come back to court with my DUI, she'll be more understanding since
She won't. She'll be more mad that they're actually putting her through the same crap they're putting you through.
she's been through the same thing I've been through.
Anyway. Put her in jail. She could have killed someone's child. She could have killed someone, yeah. She didn't spend any time behind bars and didn't have to pay bail to leave. Insane, yes. She was released OR within like an hour or two. Rules for thee, not for me. Yep. Unbelievable. It's Mississippi. Most everyone in Mississippi has a DUI arrest. I think everyone in Mississippi is born with a DUI. Don't say a lot about Mississippi, but let's wrap it up.
Reaction in Hernando tonight over a DeSoto County judge who remains on the job after she was arrested for DUI. We're talking about Judge Karen Sanders, who was released the same day of her arrest. Good evening, and thanks for joining us. I'm Stephanie.
Same day. She was released in a couple hours.
Skurlock. WREG's Raven Copeland joins us live with the latest information. And Raven, tell us what you're hearing tonight.
Well, Stephanie, several Hernando residents that I spoke with say that Judge Karen Sanders should be held accountable for her alleged actions Saturday night.
I think that's ridiculous. I think that, especially as somebody that has that much power as a judge, they need to, if they're upholding our citizens to those standards, they need to hold them as well. So I think that's ridiculous.
It's sad. We need to do better as a community, and it starts with our upper judicial.
Shock in the Hernando community following newly released information about the DUI arrest of DeSoto County Judge Karen Sanders. WREG has obtained a police report that paints a clearer picture of what allegedly happened that night. A little before 6 p.m. Saturday, a Hernando police officer was driving along West Valley Street when a white Escalade pulled out of a driveway and stopped in the middle of the road, blocking 2 lanes of traffic. The officer says the driver then drove into the grass and eventually got back into the road. The officer then conducted a traffic stop at West Commerce Street and Mount Pleasant Road Extended and spoke with the driver, Judge Sanders. Sanders reportedly told the officer she mistook her gas and brake pedals when she pulled out the driveway. The officer became suspicious when they noticed Sanders' glassy eyes and slurred speech. When asked if she had been drinking, the officer says Sanders nodded yes but said no and consented to a breathalyzer test. The police report also shows that
What was her blood alcohol content?
Sanders' car allegedly smelled like alcohol and she struggled to walk or stand up. Sanders was arrested and charged with careless driving and driving under the influence. She was released the same day and remains employed as a DeSoto County judge.
I think she should face the same consequences that any other citizen should serve, and especially I think that they should look into it how she's back in the job. That's crazy to me.
That's crazy to most people.
I think there should be no leniency. If anything, I feel like it should be more punishable for her because, like I said, she's at a higher standard than we are.
Nope, different standard. Get it right.
Now, Sanders is expected in court on April 1st to face both charges, and WREG, of course, will let you know what happens at that hearing. Reporting live from downtown Memphis for your news leader, Raven Copeland, WREG News Channel 3.
Thank you, Raven. She should convict herself. That's the second judge I've seen arrested for DUI within the past 24 hours. Don't doubt it. DUI, yep. What is going on? This is, I think it's supposed to say, isn't good at all. They'll investigate themselves and find out wrongdoing. Likely. Likely you're correct about that. Anyway, that's where we're at with this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, like 82% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button and we'll move along. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'm out.